Welcome, friend, and today we are going to be talking about real estate investing for beginners. Hello there, Jerry Norton, and welcome to another episode of Real Estate Freedom TV. I'm actually here in the hammock in the front yard. This is actually my makeshift office a lot of times. I'll sit out here on my laptop or on the phone. It's really nice, beautiful day here today. And I wanted to have a sit-down conversation with you about real estate investing for beginners. So if you're watching this video, then I'm assuming that you have an interest in real estate, you want to get started, and you're starting to learn and research about how to do that, how to actually get started in real estate. And here's the thing, when it comes to real estate investing and making money with real estate, there are lots of different strategies, probably dozens or hundreds of different ways that you can make money in real estate. And that's exciting, but it's also can be distracting. And what I mean by that is, I call it the shiny object syndrome, where as you start to learn about real estate and you'll say, oh man, that sounds like a great strategy, and I'm gonna go learn about that. And then, oh wait, there's this other thing over here, and oh, let me learn about that. And pretty soon you're pulled in all these different directions, and you're kind of learning a lot of different things, but you're not really learning how to take action and do one specific thing. And so my first piece of advice for you is to focus on the best strategy for getting started in real estate. And for most people, in a lot of cases, it was for me, that's with wholesaling. Okay, now wholesaling is a form of flipping. So it's a flipping houses strategy. And the reason why I'm such a big fan for beginners when they first get started in real estate is to start with wholesaling, is because wholesaling is the smallest or the least barrier to entry. It's the easiest strategy to learn and start making money right away. And the reason why is because it's not a long-term strategy. You're not investing capital, you're not borrowing money, you're not managing tenants, you're not even doing fix and flip where you're managing contractors and fixing up a house and getting funding and looking for retail buyers. You're not doing any of those things. So it eliminates a lot of the risk. So it's a low risk, easy barrier to entry strategy, and we call that wholesaling. Now, wholesaling in kind of layman's terms, in simple terms, it's just getting a contract and then flipping your contract to another investor. So it's a hustle strategy where you find a good deal with a motivated seller. You actually get, a piece of paper that's a contract, right, to buy that home, and then you assign it to another investor. They step in, they pay you money. Watch my other videos on this channel about wholesaling real estate. But as a beginner, it's a great place to start because it's low risk, low barrier to entry. You can make a lot of money. You can make $5,000 to $25,000. Now you can make more or less than that, but as an average, kind of what most people aim for is to make $5,000 to $25,000. And here's what I want to tell you. Almost 15 years ago when I got started, I worked in construction, underground construction, and I made minimum wage. Okay, and that was my adult life. And I was married, had a couple kids, and I was going nowhere, no future. But I knew that's not what I wanted. I didn't want that for me. I did not want that for my family. And that's when I found real estate and I started wholesaling houses. I started learning about wholesaling and I got out there and I took action. This was in Detroit, in Michigan, and I started wholesaling houses. And here's what's so awesome about it. After I learned how to do that, I got started, I made $52,000 in 1 month. I wholesaled 5 deals, made a total of $52,000. That was more money than I had made, twice as much money than I had made in an entire year in my construction job. And by the age of 30, I had become a self-made millionaire in real estate. And I did it by learning how to flip real estate. And that's what's so exciting. I want you to know that you can do the same thing. If I can do it as a construction worker and learn how to do it, you can do it too. You can do it too. And that's so exciting to think about. But you have to take action. You have to get out there, you have to learn what you need to do to get started, and you can do it. And wholesaling houses is the best way to do it. Since then, over the past 15 years, I've been able to continue to do deals, started fixing and flipping from entry-level homes. Now today I do multi-million-dollar new construction homes and everything in between. I do houses all across the country nationwide. And it all started from having a dream of becoming financially free and having freedom of time. And now I have that. I live my dream life, and you can do the same thing. My dream is that you can do what I've been able to do and become financially free, have time freedom to be able to have, do, be, and give everything that really matters in life. And that's what it's done for me, and that's what I know it can do for you. Okay, so do that, and I'll see you on the webinar, and I'll see you on the next video.